Had to pay a challan of 100 rupees for not wearing helmet. The journey might be tough, but it's worth it. We've come from minus 11 to 11. So morning from KALPA. Yeah, we got up early to rush to this suicide point here. This very popular suicide point for photos. So all cars and bikes all just left. We got to ride. We late for breakfast. He's again doing clicking a lot of photos, doing all nonsense here. This was where we stayed last night. This was another room. Here's another room. Serge getting ready. And two more there. And this is the view. Kinnar Kailash, क्या कहते हैं उसको? Any explanation for that? Kinnar Kailash is... Arey, come on. Yeah. Okay. So it is basically kind of a temple. Dedicated to Mahadev. Simple. It is there. I don't think it's visible in the camera.
The wet grip of this tire.
Wet grip is okay.
Okay. So you got this tire
For this ride.
This ride.
Both. This was what we were wading through last evening. There was a slight drizzle as well. Today's ride is going to be quite long. The target is to cross Shimla and reach Chandigarh Ghat. I don't know what ghat that is. There's some ghat there. See, it's all covered now. Now you can't see that stone which stands alone there. And don't forget to go to my Instagram handle and check out all the pictures we clicked on this ride. It will be in the description box below and it might come up somewhere on the screen some corner. Tong Bridge, NH05. I couldn't find a shop where they would sell these sprayer flags. Thought I'd get one for my bike as well, but found one place where they were selling it, but it was too big. It was not meant for bikes. आराम से चलाना, धीरे से चलाना बस।
जाना बाबू ये रुंदा
मैं पीछे आऊँगा फिर, नहीं साथ में नहीं चल सकते क्योंकि रोड बहुत पतला हो जाता है, तो मैं पीछा करूँगी आपका। So one more riding partner. Mr. Jasmeet is enjoying his riding time now. So we were stopped by the Kinnaur checkpost police over there. Jasmeet sir here had to pay a challan of 100 rupees for not wearing helmet. He just had a different head cover. The cop there didn't accept that. He said no, you have to wear a turban or a helmet. He paid a challan. It's as simple as that. अरे मेरा फोन का सिग्नल आ गया. All the beeps in my head. We just crossed Kinnaur district and Vodafone is on. But you know, Jio could provide internet connectivity in Kaza. I was shocked.
पूछ लो इसका क्या चार्ज है।
क्यों, क्या हुआ? आप गिरा क्या?
हाँ गाड़ी सड़क से नीचे उतर गई थी तो स्लाइड हो गई थोड़ी सी।
आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ ना?
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं हुआ भाई, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
Tomorrow will be the last day of the ride. Today we will check in somewhere in between Shimla and Chandigarh. We will stop for the night and tomorrow will be the home run to Gurgaon. And after that, our ride continues to Bangalore. I was just stopped by the cops all of a sudden for a small driving license check, that's it. But that was my first stop in this entire road trip of mine, to check my license. Hands are freezing, the temperature has gone low, and there is a drizzle as well. Slight drizzle, very slight drizzle. We're about 65 kilometers from Shimla. The final patch of ice road journey is here, I believe. Let's see. One more go at this black ice challenge. But I'm going to miss these roads, you know, with all white patches everywhere. For 2 days, the entire road was white. Now I see only dark roads, black roads. Look at that. The journey might be tough, but it's worth it. Don't let the wheels spin. All this is fresh snowfall. You can see the different layers. I thought we were done with this snowy business, but no, it's not over. I was kind of feeling refreshed once we were riding during the Rampur stretch. Actually, the weather was quite calm and it was clean. Now it's starting to freeze again. But this is what winter ride is all about. Okay, the road clearing is happening. Ice, snow, cold. We're not finding lunch. We're not able to cover distance due to this condition of the road, because cars, yeah, can go, but bikes, no. This is where we found lunch. Very expensive lunch. One plate Maggi costed $50. अपना हो गया? क्यों waiting?
वो पैसे लेने हैं।
Okay.
दिल्ली का डिस्टेंस का कुछ कवर करना और आगे जाके यहाँ से शिमला से दिल्ली 12 घंटे का रास्ता है। अगर हम यहाँ रुक रहे हैं तो अगर हम कल सुबह 9 बजे भी निकले तो रात को दिल्ली 9 बजे पहुँचेंगे।
So I just had Maggi here. This is the entrance to Kufri, a famous tourist spot in Kerala. I'm saying Kerala. I just spoke to some guys from Kerala, so in Shimla. So we're exiting Shimla now. This is the entry to the railway station. That is the toy train, most popularly known as. There it is. Finally some bright sunshine, real bright sunshine after a real long time. We'll reach Chandigarh, settle down there for tonight. It's been quite a long ride, quite an adventurous ride. So tomorrow will be the final stretch from Chandigarh to Delhi. It's 11 degrees centigrade. We've come from minus 11 to 11. This is Hotel Falcon Crest and this is where we'll be staying for the night. So until tomorrow's ride, bye.